Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So I just picked up a new Trek Marlin 7 mountain bike, and I'm pretty excited about this. In fact, I paid more for this mountain bike than I did my first car, and I probably beat it by about $300. So if that tells you anything. But one of the first things that I'm doing is checking all this out, and I just wanted to show you guys a trick to remove what's called, this is the Dork disc. So this is on here, and normally you would just disassemble the hub and pull the wheel off, but I'm lazy and in a hurry, so I'm just getting on it here with some tin snips. It's hard to do one-handed, but it is possible. There we go. Right, and just feed this back around. There you go. Dork disc removed. Alright guys, thanks for watching.